Prime Minister Narendra Modi today laid the foundation stone, dedicated and inaugurated 10 projects worth about 7,600 crore rupees in Chhattisgarh capital Raipur. The Gujarat High Court today dismissed Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's plea seeking stay on his conviction in the criminal defamation case related to his Modi surname remarks. Ministry of External Affairs said Dr. J. Shankar will co-chair the 10 India-Tanzania Joint Commission meeting with his counterpart and call on the country's top leadership, including several cabinet-rank ministers in Dar es Salaam. In the Kashmir Valley, Shri Amarnath Ji Yatra was temporarily suspended by the authorities as rain lashed on both the Yatra routes of Nunwan Pahalgam in Anantnag district and Baltal in Ganderbal district this morning. In the Canada Open Badminton Tournament, India's PV Sindhu entered the quarterfinals after receiving a walkover in the second round last night.